Cryptocurrency has come a long way since Bitcoin's launch in 2009. Today, it's not just about Bitcoin or Ethereum. The crypto market is home to thousands of digital assets, each offering unique opportunities. But as exciting as the crypto space is, it can be intimidating for beginners. If you've ever wondered how to start investing in crypto, this video is for you. In this guide, we'll break down the basics, explore the steps to get started, and highlight tips to help you navigate the market in 2025. Whether you're looking to invest long-term, trade, or diversify your portfolio, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. What is cryptocurrency? Before investing, it's essential to understand what cryptocurrency is. At its core, cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks based on blockchain technology. Some key features of cryptocurrencies include decentralization. No single authority, like a bank or government, controls them. Transparency. Transactions are recorded on public ledgers, making them traceable. Limited supply. Many cryptos, like Bitcoin, have a capped supply, contributing to their value. Popular cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Binance Coin, BNB, and newer ones like Solana, SOL, and Avalanche, AVAX. Why should you invest in crypto in 2025? The crypto market has matured significantly, and 2025 presents exciting opportunities for new investors. Here's why you should consider investing. 1. High growth potential. Cryptos like Bitcoin have seen exponential growth over the years, turning early investors into millionaires. 2. Portfolio diversification. Cryptocurrencies are uncorrelated with traditional assets like stocks or bonds, making them a great diversification tool. 3. Emerging technologies. Blockchain innovations, such as decentralized finance, DeFi, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and Web3, are creating new avenues for investment. 4. Inflation hedge. Assets like Bitcoin are often referred to as digital gold because they can act as a store of value in inflationary times. However, remember that crypto is a volatile market and investments come with risks. Always invest what you can afford to lose. Step-by-step guide to investing in crypto. 1. Understand the market. The first step is to educate yourself. Learn about different cryptocurrencies and their use cases, market trends and cycles, bull versus bear markets, the technology behind cryptocurrencies, especially blockchain. Knowledge is your greatest asset in this space. Resources like books, podcasts, YouTube tutorials, and online courses can help. 2. Choose a reliable crypto exchange. A crypto exchange is where you buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. For beginners, user-friendly platforms are ideal. Here are some top options for 2025. Coinbase, great for beginners with an intuitive interface. Binance, offers advanced features and a wide variety of coins. Kraken, known for robust security. eToro, allows social trading, where you can mimic the trades of experienced investors. Ensure the exchange is regulated and secure. Look for features like two-factor authentication, 2FA, and cold storage for funds. 3. Create a crypto wallet. A wallet is essential for storing your cryptocurrencies securely. There are two main types. Hot wallets, online wallets connected to the internet, e.g. Trust Wallet, MetaMask. Convenient but vulnerable to hacking. Cold wallets, offline wallets like hardware devices, e.g. Ledger, Trezor. Safer but less accessible for frequent trading. For long-term holding, cold wallets are recommended. Start small and diversify. As a beginner, start with a small investment and focus on major, established coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Once you're comfortable, explore altcoins, alternative cryptocurrencies. Diversification reduces risk. 5. Understand risk management. The crypto market is highly volatile. Protect yourself by setting a budget. Only invest money you can afford to lose. Using stop-loss orders. Automatically sell when prices drop to limit losses. Avoiding FOMO, fear of missing out. Stick to your strategy and don't chase hype. 6. Learn about dollar cost averaging, DCA. Instead of investing a lump sum, consider DCA, where you invest small amounts regularly over time. This reduces the impact of market volatility and helps you build a position gradually. 7. Stay updated. Crypto markets move quickly, with new developments happening daily. Follow trusted news sources, join crypto communities, and track market performance using apps like CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. Popular crypto investment strategies. There are several ways to approach crypto investing, depending on your goals and risk tolerance. 1. Buy and hold. HODL. What it is: long-term investment strategy where you buy and hold assets, ignoring short-term volatility. Best for beginners and those with patience. Examples: Bitcoin and Ethereum are excellent choices for hodling due to their established track records. 2. Trading. What it is: actively buying and selling cryptos to profit from price movements. Best for experienced investors who understand technical analysis. Tools needed: trading platforms with advanced features like Binance or KuCoin. 3. Staking and yield farming. What it is: earn rewards by locking your crypto in a network, staking, or providing liquidity to decentralized finance, DeFi platforms. Yield farming. Best for those looking for passive income. Examples: Ethereum staking or liquidity farming on platforms like Uniswap. Pitfalls to avoid as a beginner. 1. Not doing your own research. DYOR. Never invest based on hype or recommendations alone. Study the coin's fundamentals, team, and roadmap. 2. Falling for scams. Beware of fake websites or apps, promises of guaranteed returns, phishing scams asking for your private keys. 3. Over-leveraging. Avoid using borrowed money to trade crypto. While leverage can amplify gains, it also magnifies losses. Must-have apps: wallets, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Ledger Live. Market trackers: CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko. News: Crypto Slate, Decrypt, The Block. Communities to join: Reddit, Our Cryptocurrency, Our Bitcoin. Twitter/X. Follow industry leaders like Vitalik Buterin and Changpeng Zhao. Discord/Telegram. Join project-specific groups for updates. Future trends in crypto for 2025. 1. Regulation. Governments worldwide are creating frameworks to regulate crypto. While this could add stability, it may also limit certain activities like anonymous transactions. 2. CBDCs, central bank digital currencies. Digital currencies issued by central banks are gaining traction. While not decentralized like cryptocurrencies, they could coexist and drive blockchain adoption. 3. Web3 and decentralization. The shift toward Web3, a decentralized internet, is creating new investment opportunities in tokens powering decentralized apps, DApps, and ecosystems. 4. Sustainability. As environmental concerns grow, energy-efficient cryptocurrencies and blockchain technologies will likely gain popularity. Conclusion: investing in cryptocurrency in 2025 is both exciting and challenging. By understanding the market, choosing reliable platforms, and employing sound strategies, you can navigate this space confidently. Remember, the key to success lies in patience, research, and risk management. Enjoying this video? Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on cryptocurrency and investing. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.